Right, so today we are going to do literature. Alright, literature ni UMSAS lah, ya. So one of the what we call it apa yang dalam literature tu is short story. Okay, so today we are going to go through short story, and you from one ada this short story lah, fast fair. Okay, right. So I assume that you already read the story, yeah, and then kita akan sambung terus. Okay, right. So this is the overview lesson, okay, about our lesson today, right? Okay, the objective is you will be able to describe in simple language the characters' actions or feeling and explain the reasons for them. Okay, so we are going to look at the characters in the story. Right, and the success criteria, okay, you are going to answer questions about characters in the story via live worksheet. Okay, so this is your homework. Yeah, this is later lah, you will do it as your homework. Okay. Right? Okay. Okay, so what are you going to do? Okay, you are going to retell the story. Okay, I will call any of you to tell me what is the story about. Okay, just a simple and short. Right? Tell me, what do you understand about the story? And if you want to retell the story, okay, this one, okay, tak boleh masuk dalam nilam, right? So you're going to retell the story, okay, and we will talk a little bit lah about the story, okay, and then I will explain to you the elements of a short story, and later we are going to discuss about the characters in the story. Okay, and for your homework, you are going to do live worksheet and quiz as for your exercise. Alright, okay. What is a short story? Okay. Okay, a short story is... sekejap ya, saya... Okay, tak masuk. Okay, a short story is a short work of fiction, alright? Fiction, as you know, is prose writing about imagined events and characters. Okay, prose writing differs from writing poetry in that it does not depend on verses, meters or rhymes for its organization and presentation. Okay, that is a short story. Yeah, okay. Cerita lah maksudnya, okay, cerita pendek. Novel, cerita panjang, okay, right. Okay, so these are the elements of a short story. Okay, the elements are theme, okay, theme, you have setting, okay, you have characters, okay, characters ialah watak, okay, watak di dalam cerita. Point of view, right, the characterization ialah pewatakan. Okay, characters ialah watak. Okay, characterization ialah pewatakan. Dia seorang yang macam mana? Is it a good boy? Honest boy? That is characterization. Okay, and then you have the plot. Right? Okay, so in a plot, you will have this 1, 2, 3. Exposition, rising action, conflict, climax, falling action, and resolution. Okay, this plot is used when you write a short story. Okay, it's like macam kalau you tengok drama ke, you baca short story, first exposition ni ialah dia macam beginning, and then dia mula naik sikit, and then the conflict tu macam dah nak, and then you have the climax of the story, and then bila dah climax of the story, dia akan turun balik, and then resolution is the ending of the story. Right? So if you are going to write, kalau ada yang minat menulis cerita, okay, if you are good in writing stories, you can use this plot. Yeah, you refer to this plot to come up with a short story. Okay, later kita akan buat yang itu. Alright. Okay, what are its elements? Okay, characters. You want to look at the characters? Okay, characters are the people or animals, strange creatures or objects that think, talk, and alamak tertinggal satu lagi. Alright? Okay, so these are the characters. Okay? Characters means watak lah. Siapa dalam tu? Okay? Right. And then the types of characters, we have protagonist and antagonist. Sama juga if you watch movie. Okay, you have protagonist character, antagonist character. Okay, protagonist ni yang baik-baik tu lah. Okay, antagonist tu yang kira yang watak jahat lah. Ya. Okay. Okay, now what is a theme? Okay, theme is a term that describes the main idea or message of a poem, story or book. Ya, the theme. Apa message nak disampaikan? Okay, a theme is usually more than one word, but is a brief description about the message that the author wants to get across. Ini theme. Okay, theme cerita tu tentang apa? Okay, tentang kemanusiaan contohnya. Alright, tentang apa? So that is the theme. Tema. Alright, tema dia. Sekejap, saya bagi Irfan masuk sekejap. Kenapa tak ada masuk pula? Tak ada pun Irfan dalam ni. Nobody here? Sekejap, saya stop sharing sekejap. That is the theme. Okay, a theme is usually more than one word, but it's a brief description about the message that the author wants to get across. Okay, when you are looking to find the theme of a story, the first question you should ask yourself is, what is the author trying to say to the reader? So, next. Alright, plot. Ini yang saya cakap plot tadi tu. Okay, a plot is a series of events and character actions that relate to the central conflict. So maksud tadi itulah yang lima stages itulah. Alright, plot. Okay, let's look at it. Okay, so if you after this you plan to write a short story, so you can use this diagram. Okay, you can use this diagram. Okay, tengok. Okay, exposition. Okay, beginning of the story where characters and setting are introduced. Okay, let's say you want to write a story about you, alright, or you want to write about your friend. Okay, so in the beginning you mention the characters. Who are the characters in the story? Position. Beginning of the story where characters and setting are introduced. Okay, and then you naik sikit, you cerita pula where the main character faces a series of conflicts. Okay, and then the most exciting part of the story when we learn the outcome. This is the climax. Right, and then events leading to the end of the story. Ini dah nak towards the end dah. Okay, and then the resolution is end of the story. Right, so in this story, fast fair ni, okay, so the exposition here is the beginning of the story. Okay, maybe in the chapter 1. Alright, chapter 1. Okay, and then ini naik sikit, half of the chapter 1 to chapter 2. Alright, okay, and then here maybe the climax is the chapter 2. Alright, and then falling down, falling action, maybe half of chapter 2 and chapter 3, and then the end is the resolution is the chapter 3 story. Okay, so that is how you see the plot. Alright, okay. Okay, now we go to our story. Okay, let's see. Ada kawan nak masuk ke? Okay, alright. Alright, okay. So this is a short story. So I hope that you already read the story. Okay, siapa yang tak ada buku, saya dah buatkan PDF. Alright, okay. Okay, let's look at it. Okay, so these are the main characters. Okay, the main characters. Okay, 3 of them. Okay, siapa dia 3 of them tu? Siapa boleh bagi tahu saya? Who are the 3 characters in the story?
Lee, Sam, and Raj.
Yes. Okay, Lee, Sam, and Raj. Okay. Okay, next. Right. Okay, kita nak baca cerita sikit tentang the story. Okay, we want to give credit to the writer. Okay, who is the writer? Okay, the writer is by Narinder Dami. Okay, she is the writer. Okay, she is a British children's author. Dami's father was an Indian and her mother is English. Okay, she grew up in a multicultural environment. Multicultural means pelbagai budaya. Okay, with Asian, Indian and Western culture both major influences in her life, and was educated at Wolverhampton Girls High School and Birmingham University, where she graduated in English in 1980. She has written many award-winning children's storybooks. Okay, her work are mostly children's books for preteens. Preteens ni macam awak lah, teenagers ya. On other subjects and now increasingly for older teens too. Her characters reflect the British urban ethnic mix. Some of her famous books are Bang, Bang You Are Dead, The Beautiful Game, Ben, Eat Like Beckham, and many more. Right, for more details about this author, you can check it out by yourself at this website. Right? Okay, so we want to give credit to this author. Right? Author maksudnya yang menulis cerita. Okay, right. Okay, so this is the synopsis. Okay, saya harap awak dah baca. So, kita tak payah baca lah ya. Alright. Short story about 3 best friends, Lee, Raj and Sam, who want to go to the fair. Okay, fair. Fair ni apa? Fair. Fair apa? Ada fun fair kan? Itulah fair lah. Alright. Okay, so I'm not going to read this synopsis. Okay, you can read the synopsis yourself. Yeah? Okay, because I want to see your answer later on. Okay. Right, so these are the character. Okay, Raj, Lee, and Sam. Okay, right. Can you see in the box? All right, these are the characterization. Okay, when you talk about Raj, you can see that he is a friendly boy. He is a helpful boy, cheerful boy, hardworking boy, caring boy. That's how you describe about the character. Okay, so this one is about Lee. And this is about Sam. Okay, so you must know. How do you know? It's from the story. Okay, it's from the story, it's from what the character do in the story. Okay, dari situ kita boleh tahu characterization dia. Contoh macam kita nak cakap, okay, kita nak describe about Alisa. How is Alisa? Then you can say, oh, Alisa is a good girl. Alisa is a hardworking girl. So the word hardworking that is to show the character of Alisa. Macam tu. Okay, sorry Alisa, saya guna you. Right? Okay. Right, so these are the values. Okay. Okay, working together, thoughtful, kind-hearted, honest, thankful. Alright. Okay, so ini juga boleh digunakan sebagai the theme of the story. Okay. It's like the message lah, message nak disampaikan. Okay, so in this story, shows that Lee, Raj and Sam work together to find some money. Okay, alright, so these are the values. Okay, I go very fast. Okay, sama juga ni. Characters and characterization. Okay, if you want to talk about Raj, okay, he is a generous and persistent, enjoy going on ghost train ride. Okay. Okay, sekejap. Saya tengok siapa. Wah, ni tak boleh masuk. tak ada apa? Okay. Right. Okay, Sam, okay, Lee, right? So I already explained just now, yeah? So these are the characters and the characterization. Okay. Right? Okay, this is the theme. Okay, themes in the Science Fair: honesty, resourceful, okay, determination, good neighborhood, and friendship. Okay, this is the theme. Okay, right? Okay, alright. So now, okay, saya nak awak, okay. Okay, saya nak awak type, sekejap ya, type classpoint.app, okay, pergi ke Google, okay, you go to your Google, okay, telefon awak, pergi ke Google, type classpoint.app and masukkan kod kelas ni 91123. Okay, I want you to do this soalan. Okay, sekejap saya type di chat ya. Okay, type class app. Okay, class app apa tadi? Class app. Classpoint.app. Okay, sorry. Classpoint.app. 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 Okay, type tu. Okay, masukkan kod kelas 911 91123. 91123. Okay.
Cikgu tulis full name tu.
Apa dia? Tulis nama, your name. Yes, write your name. Okay, class code, masukkan class code 91123, 91123 and then write your name. Okay, and then you click join, jawab 3 soalan tadi tu. Okay? Apa soalan yang saya bagi tadi dalam soalan ni? Apa soalan? Ada 3 soalan kan? Okay, soalan 1, who are Lee's best friend? Tulis number 1, what's your answer? Number 2, number 3, okay, what's your answer? You type that. Alisa buat semula. 1 je jawapan tu. You write number 1, what's your answer? Number 2, what's your answer? Number 3, what's your answer? Okay, tulis jawapan and you submit. Saya boleh tengok jawapan awak. Okay, jawapan tu awak dah buat tadi. So saya suruh awak buat siap-siap tadi. Awak dah buat tadi dah. Okay, just transfer here. Patraleka, salah soalan ke awak? Okey, Irfan, betul. Patraleka, I think you answer it wrongly. Okay, number 3, kenapa ada reason? The question tak bertanya reason pun. Okay, Adam. Okay, the fair has come. Okay. Yes, correct. Adam, betul. Okay. Kita ada lebih kurang 5 minit lagi. Alright. Okay. Dah? Okay, saya siapa yang belum? Okay, Syazwani. Saya tutup dulu ya. Alright. Okay, nanti boleh sambung. Nanti kita sambung lain. Okay, I just want to see how you write down your answer. Okay. Nanti kita review. Okay, next question. Tengok boleh buat masuk tak next question? Okay, cuba jawab next question. Okay, nanti kita review. Okay, next question. Why Lee cannot go to the fun fair? What are the jobs that Sam suggested Lee? Type your answer. Why Lee cannot go to the fun fair? Okay. Irfan bagus. Dah ada jawapan. Kita review ya. I'm going to show you in the group your answer. Okay. Okay. Alright. So, masa tak ada dah. Alright. So, saya nak tunjuk contoh saja ya. So, you, later you are going to send me your work. You already copy in your exercise book kan. So, you can snap and then you send to the group. Okay, Adam, good. Alright. So, saya stop dulu ya. Okay. Alright. There's another one here. Okay, there's another question. Right, tak apa. Saya skip dulu yang tu. Saya skip yang ni. Okay, nanti kalau kita nak buat, kita cari masa yang lain. Alright. Okay. Now, okay, this is your task. Okay. Saya akan bagi link ini di dalam group Telegram. Alright. So, take your time. Okay, after the class 12:30, take your time to answer these two questions. Alright, to answer these two questions. Alright, so bila you dah jawab, you snap, alright, and hantar ke Telegram group as bukti yang awak dah siap task ini. Okay, alright, so that's all for today's class. Alright, so thank you.